Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make calcium with eggshells. First, gather your clean, raw eggshells. It is important to rinse them very well under running water to remove any remaining egg white or yolk. After rinsing, place the shells in a pot of water and bring it to a boil. Let them boil for about 10 minutes. This step sterilizes the shells, ensuring they are safe to consume. Once boiled, drain the water and allow the shells to cool completely. Once your eggshells are cool, it is time to dry them out thoroughly. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the shells in a single layer on a baking sheet and bake them for 10 to 15 minutes. They should become very dry and brittle. After baking, let them cool completely again. Now, you can begin grinding them. A clean coffee grinder works wonderfully, or you can use a traditional mortar and pestle. The key to safe and effective eggshell calcium is achieving a very fine powder. Continue grinding until the texture is smooth, similar to flour, with no sharp or gritty bits. For an even finer consistency, you can sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve. This ensures maximum absorption and prevents any unpleasant textures. Store your homemade calcium powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place where it can last for several months. Now that you have your homemade eggshell calcium, you can start incorporating it into your diet. A common recommendation is to add about 1/2 teaspoon of the powder to your food or drinks daily. You can easily mix it into smoothies, yogurt, or even oatmeal. This amount typically provides around 800 milligrams of elemental calcium, which is a significant boost for your bone health and overall well-being. Enjoy the benefits of this natural supplement.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.